this is Katina, and in this arpeggio tutorial, I almost said scale, I'm going to show you how to play a C sharp major arpeggio on the clarinet. So we're going to start with C sharp. One of the ways I remember this one is it's like a C major arpeggio, but everything is sharp. It's up one half step. It's going to get a little weird around E sharp though. So you have C sharp, which is thumb, 1, 2, 3, and then your C sharp key right here. So you have C sharp. This is E sharp. It looks like an F. It's the same fingering, but it's technically an E sharp. That'll help you, at least if you think of it as an E sharp, it won't be so weird to go to a G sharp, which is right here on the side. So you have G sharp there. Keep your fingers curved and close so you can drop them to C sharp. So your thumb and register are down now, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to use the C sharp right here, which is your bottom row, but you're going to use the key closest to you. So you have C sharp. You're going to move into E sharp, which is that F from before, and then G sharp right here. Drop into C sharp. You can also roll right here with your index finger. A lot of people do that. It sounds beautiful when you move up into the altissimo, that range. So it'll look like this when you roll. So usually you get a nice dark sound in there and it will slide into that altissimo note really nicely. So going down, this is your C sharp, so thumb and register, 2, 3, 1, 2. Do not put your pinky down on the E flat key. C sharp dropping to G sharp right there. Thumb and register, so it's just like C sharp on the bottom with your thumb and register this time. And then you have your E sharp right there. And then you're going to have C sharp, then G sharp on the side, okay? And then E sharp with your thumb, and then C sharp. Just a nice 2-octave one for us. I think I could have done a better slide there at the top. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.